Good morning to everyone. We are now going to begin with the chapter number 13 of our EVS book Enviro Watch, and the name of the chapter is Plants Life. Plants are all around us. You must have seen so many plants and so many trees in your nearby park areas, in your place, in your city, and even in your school. Look at the starter activity. Can you name the different types of trees? Let us start doing it from the first one. The first, as you can see, is full of mangoes. So obviously, this must be the mango tree. The second tree, if you look carefully at the leaves, is the peepal tree. The third tree, yes, you guessed it right. It has these hanging branches, and therefore, this is the banyan tree. This is the tree that you must have seen so many times on the beach. This is the palm tree. And this tree, which looks very much like a palm tree, is the banana tree. Children, plants are all around us. They make our earth a green planet. They are the most important gift of nature to us. In fact, there would have been no life on earth without plants. Some plants grow on land, some plants grow in water. Let us look at the different types of plants. There are many kinds of plants. They are in different sizes and shapes. Some plants are big, some plants are small. Some are tall trees, some are grasses, some are bush, some are creepers, and some are climbers. Here in your book, you can see the different types of plants. So watermelon is a creeper, garden pea plant is a climber, the rose is a bush, then there are grasses and trees, right? We will now talk about parts of a plant. This is a mango tree. Look at its parts, read and learn their names. So you can see the flower, you can see the leaves, you can see the branches, you can see the fruit, you can see the trunk. Let us talk about leaves. Plants have different kinds of leaves. Leaves have different shapes. They are green. We can tell the name of some plants by looking at their leaves. Green leaves make food for the plant. So you can see the leaves here: peepal leaf, neem leaves, banana leaf, coconut palm leaf. Flowers. Plants have different kinds of flowers. They are of many colors. They grow on trees, bushes, and creepers. Flowers become fruits. Let us talk about seeds. Inside the fruit, there are seeds. These seeds can grow into new plants. Seed grows when it gets air, water, and sunshine. So here in this diagram, you can see how when we sow a seed, slowly it starts growing the root, and then when it gets water and sunlight, the plant starts growing and it bears leaves, flowers, and fruits. Talk about the roots, parts of the plant which are in the soil under the ground. It's called root. It absorbs water for the plant. Plants are very useful. We get fruits and vegetables for plants. Plants also give us cereals, oil seeds, tea, and sugar. With this, we come to the end of this chapter, this very interesting chapter on plants. Have a good day, everyone.